Welcome to Upham Woods. Welcome to 318 acres of pristine Wisconsin forest and ancient sandstone caves. To this high-tech, hands-on learning laboratory along the Wisconsin River, where University of Wisconsin staff lead innovative programs for school trips and youth group events, professional conferences, training programs, and retreats. So come, choose an adventure. Explore our island shores and learn through the act of discovery, where nature's students are always welcome. At Upham Woods, the Wisconsin idea, outdoors.